Hi everyone, and welcome back. So this week in math, we are moving forward with our lessons as if we were back in class. Before we left school, we had been talking about angles and how we classify angles and the different measurements of an angle. So I thought that before we do the activity today, we could just review what we already know. So one of the first angles that we talked about was an acute angle, and we know that an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. So anywhere between 1 and 89 degrees would be an acute angle. And another way that we thought about thinking of it to help us remember is to know that something that is just so cute, like a little baby or a little puppy or a kitten, you say, oh, it's so cute, it's so cute, it's so small, and that's how we remember an acute angle. The next type of angle that we talked about was a right angle, and that's an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. And if we look here, it makes a perfect letter L, and this box on the inside lets us know that it's exactly 90 degrees. So we had acute, and now we have a right angle. Okay. A straight angle, or a straight line, is exactly 180 degrees, and we know that that's half of a full circle, which is 360 degrees. And the obtuse angle, that is an angle that measures between 90 and 180 degrees. So acute is so small and cute, a right angle, and then obtuse, like Mrs. Watson eating too much while we're stuck inside. Okay, the next angle, the last angle that we talked about, this one's a little bit tricky, is a reflex angle. And that's an angle that measures between 180 and 360 degrees. And one clue to let us know that we're dealing with a reflex angle, or to identify it, is that the angle or the arrow of the rotation is on the outside of the angle. This means that the angle rotated from here all the way to here. And it almost made a complete 360, almost a full circle, but not quite. So that's why it's a reflex angle. And if you look at this pizza slice, this here would be the reflex angle because it didn't go, because the slice is missing, it didn't make a full 360. So we had acute, right, obtuse, the straight line, which we know is 180, and the reflex angle. So we know it's between 180 and 360. It goes past a straight line, but it's not quite a full circle. And the arrow on the outside of the angle shows us the way of the rotation. So in today's review, you're going to be working on an angle sort that's interactive, and knowing these angles is going to help you drag and drop the angle, oop, that's too high, into the correct box. So there's a couple of different pictures of different angles, and you have to drag and place them in the correct box, depending on what they are. If you have any questions about it, please let Mrs. Cottle or myself know. You can email us directly, and we would love to help you. We're so proud of you. Bye.